Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Tissue salt therapy, part 3, introduction. If you are new to tissue salt therapy, viewing part is a must. Please remember this. Unless you read the part 1, if you are new, you cannot follow others. So if you are really new to tissue salt therapy, you must view part 1 first. What are different groups of tissue salt remedies? In tissue salt therapy, there are 12 tissue salts. These can be grouped under the following heads. Number 1, phosphorica or phosphates. There are 5. Salt number 2, salt number 4, salt number 6, salt number 10, salt number 8. All 5. Sulfurica, sulfates, 3. Salt number 3, salt number 7, salt number 11. The salt number are given on the right hand side. Muriatica or chloride, salt number 2, salt number 5 and salt number 9. Fluorica or fluoride, 1, salt number 1. Silicia or silica, 1, salt number 12. In all these there are 12 salts, the names given on the right hand side. How can we have an idea of disease and selection of remedies or medicines from the look of a patient? The concept of an idea of diseases and consequent selection of medicine from the look of a patient is highly interesting and demand medical acumen of the physicians. No doubt this is a bit difficult, but for serious learners of tissue therapy, I dare to disclose this. Such approach is rarely seen in other systems of medicine. Please follow the next with utmost attention. Again, the 12 number of salts has been demonstrated on the right hand side. It will be demonstrated several times since we have to memorize all these 12 salt names and their position. That is, when salt number 7 will be called, it will be kalium sulfuricum. When salt number 11, it will be natrum sulfuricum. When salt number 3, it will be calcarea sulfuricum. This position and name are fixed. How do the phosphates look like? Phosphates means the patients of phosphates actually. How do the patients of phosphate look like? Phosphates are salt number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's already shown. The names have been given here: calcarea phosphorica, ferrum phosphoricum, kalium phosphoricum, magnesia phosphoricum, natrum phosphoricum. Mind it, this name may be slightly different. Pronunciation may be slightly different. Sometimes it is phosphoricum, some says it is phosphorica, all the same. Now, what is the looks of the patient? Their eyes are depressed with bluish discoloration around. Skin shallow, pale or yellowish, soft. Hair thick, soft. Face swollen, lusterless, anxious, nervous. How do the sulfates look like? Sulfates mean the patients of sulfates. There are 3 sulfates: salt number 3, salt number 7, salt number 11. Their name are calcarea sulfurica, kalium sulfurica, natrum sulfurica. Their face is pale but lip and ears are red. Their neck is narrow but head heavy, so they walk or sit with head bent, slightly stoop shouldered. All excretions of the body have foul odor. They like to lie down with low pillow. How do the muriates, that is patients of muriates, look like? Muriate salts are salt number 5 and 9, that is kalium muriaticum and natrum muriaticum. Faces are sickly, swollen, full of pustules. Excretion from body have foul odor but less than those of sulfates. They are nervous but less than that of phosphates. Is mixing of tissue salt permissible? It is a controversial issue. Different physicians opine differently. The inventor of tissue salt therapy does never support mixing of tissue salts. He advised us to use a single medicine at a time. Medicine can be alternated, can be used as an intercurrent medicine, but always one only at a time. Almost all stalwart of tissue therapy of old age followed the principle of Dr. Schussler, and that is our inventor of the system, Dr. Schussler, German doctor, and displayed lakhs of magic cures with a single medicine. I personally support their view. However, many big companies are now producing various patents, mixing many tissue salts. Examples are shown on the right hand side. A few examples, there are many, many combinations are available now. Is external application of tissue salt permissible? Yes, permissible. And in all possible cases, application of internal external medicine used to hasten the process of cure. They are used in following ways. Generally, 3x potencies are used for external uses. Sprinkling the powder form of the selected medicine over the lesion and bandaging them lightly. So in case of injuries or some types of skin abrasions, skin affections, this can be done. Number 2, mixing powder medicines with lukewarm water and using them as a lotion. That is moistening the medicine mixed water with some application like gauze and placing it over the injuries. Then bandaging. Mixing powdered medicine with glycerin, ghee, Vaseline, olive oil, coconut oil, using the mixture as an ointment. And it has been seen in many occasions that when you are giving a how are tissue salts administered? For newborn babes of 6 months, in 1 teaspoonful lukewarm water, put half grain of medicine and stir gently till the medicine is dissolved thoroughly. Then pour the medicine carefully and very slowly along the corner of the mouth of the baby. It has been demonstrated in the image side. For babies over 6 months, 3 years to 3 years children, mix half grain of medicine with 1 teaspoonful warm water and pour the mixture in the mouth of the babies. How tissue salt medicines are administered for 3 years and 12. It's continuing. For 3 years to 12 years children, just ask the children to keep 1 grain peel under the tongue. Nothing more. It will automatically dissolve with the saliva and absorb in the system. For teens, that is teenagers, put 2 pills in the mouth and ask to keep these under tongue. Same. For adults, put 3 pills in the mouth and ask to keep this under their tongue. Many doctors ask to put medicine as per doses above in TSF water and pour the same in the mouth. It will do. Remember, as phosphates are soluble in lukewarm water, while using phosphoric up, employing 1 TSF warm water enhances absorption medicine.